Welcome back. Everybody has their specific hobbies. Some collect coins, some collect cards and some collect pens. Whereas Damodar Adpaikar collects liquor bottles as hobby. Till now, he has collected 116 liquor bottles of various types.
These are the bottles that have been collected by Damodar Adpaikar from Madgaon. This is a collection of 116 liquor bottles. All these brands are imported ones. He has been collecting these bottles from the past 34 to 35 years.
हातून सगळे तरेचो आसा आनी दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे हातून एकूय इंडियन ना सगळ्यो भायल्यो म्हणजे सगळे ब्रँड म्हजे कडेन आसा ब्रँडी विस्की धर कॉकटेल करपाचे आनी तातूंत शॅम्पेन खूब जे हातून 116 म्हणजे तुमकां सांगूं नाका तातूंत सगळे येयल्यो आनी एकूय हातून डबल ना की सगळे वेगळे वेगळे नांवाच्यो आनी वेगळे वेगळे ब्रँड.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Now the news from sports. Former Goan Olympian Fortunato Franco feels footballers during his playing days played for the pride of the nation. Franco has advised the players to work harder to improve India's position in the present football arena.
Gold medalist at the Asian Games in Jakarta in 1962, Fortunato Franco was felicitated with a cash award of Rs 5 lakh by the Sports Authority of Goa. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, PWD Minister Churchill Alimau and GFA President Joki Alimau were present for the function. It must be noted that Franco's name was proposed 5 years back by the Sports Journalists Association of Goa under the presidentship of veteran sports journalist Jovito Lopez. SAG Executive Director VM Prabhudesai heaped praise on the unsung hero Fortunato Franco.
संबंध जगभर तो खेळ्ळा आनी 1916 तो पयलो गोंयकार ऑलिंपिकाक खेळपी 24व्या वर्सार तो ऑलिंपिक खेळ्ळो 1960 म्हळ्यार आयज 50 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाली ताका ऑलिंपिक खेळून आनी अजुनूय तो फीट आसा 74 वर्सांचो आयज तो आसा आनी सगळ्या खेळगड्यां खातीर गोंयच्या तो एक उदाहरण कशें जावन आसा.
Franco was thrilled to have received the recognition he deserved.
A very big day in my life. Such a joyous feeling I experienced in 1962 when I was standing on the victory stand to receive my gold medal at the 4th Asian Games Championships. 4th Asian Games in 1962. That was one of my happiest days, and today I'm reliving the whole scenario. The people are being so kind enough and giving my due reward. Football played by us then. We played for pride. We played for the pride of the nation. We didn't care whether we broke our legs or we broke our head. That's exactly what happened in 62 Asian Games. Second match against Thailand, Jadil Singh broke his forehead straight away with 6-7 stitches. Well, he played that because there was no substitute rule at that time. He played. What does it show? The intensity with which you play. Today you are playing with intensity, I am not denying, but what is the level of intensity? Opportunities will come, very few. Grab it with both the hands. Nothing but football. You eat football, you drink football, you sleep football, you do only football. Only then I did that. And from the scratch, I came to the top. You have to work. There is no substitute for hard work. Success does not fall into your lap.
Meanwhile, the SAG also awarded cash prizes of Rs 15,000 to each player of the Goa Under-21 football team that won the Datta Ray National Football Championship recently. In addition to that, the players were also handed Rs 5,000 each from Sporting Club the Goa chairman Peter Vaz. Our reporter from Fatorda, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time for our video of the day. Today in our video of the day, we show you a pair of butterflies. These rare visuals are captured by our Vasco reporter Surendra Matkaikar. Watch these visuals, take care and goodbye.